And here we go. My package finally came. Let's see. Whew. FedEx driver. Supposed to have it signed for. I'm on a call. I quickly get off that call and run outside to catch the FedEx man. I'm about to run up on that truck. Let's see. He left it on the side porch. I'm okay with this. Samsung man. Excessive paper. What is this? Ah! It's finally here and I still gotta wait for this phone. How that makes sense. Let's see. I've been using my iPhone for so long, which has been excellent. But I'm very excited for this phone. Ah! I know people have been saying online that the phone is heavy, but even the box is a little bit heavy. Like, that's a thud. You could knock somebody out with that. You can take out a burglar with that. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get this. There's like a paper side thing here. I'm trying to tear off. Okay, so this is definitely. Y'all don't care about that. Y'all don't care about that. Let's go ahead and. Okay. What's in this box? What's in this box? Quickly here. More boxes in the box. Got a case, in case you're wondering. Accessory. Okay. Minimal texture. I like it. It's got that new phone smell, y'all. I'm not gonna do the smell test like Flossie. Let's see here. Okay. Got a little snapback there on the case. Very cool. Put you to the side. Accessory, what is this? I've been hearing a lot that I may need to get a physical SIM card because this device is so rare. But we'll see. I have Verizon, so I'm gonna see if it just works. I'm gonna try to activate the eSIM. I'll take that. Gonna need that there. Put you over there. Whole countertop smells like a new phone right now, y'all. You can see my whole smile in the reflection. All right, so guys, this phone is beautiful. Samsung. You gotta give Samsung props. They are a fun company. Like, I love the iPhone, of course, but I'm also a huge fan of Samsung, as you guys know on my channel. So this is really cool to see. Wow, it really is light in the hand, just like holding it just like this. So as a tablet and unfolded, it definitely feels great there. So here's my SIM card here on the side. Quick little disclaimer. All right, let's fold this out without the camera first. So basically left to right. Okay, this how the camera is folded. Okay, all right, let's take you off. There is a, look, I'm recording this on my iPhone, 17 Pro Max. I have to do a content comparison once it's all set up. But this is really nice. It really is super thin. Let's see, let's move all this out of the way. Countertop's getting messy. All right, let's see here. That is so thin. That is so thin. Wow. I don't know how Samsung does it, but it is incredible. All right, for context, actually, here's the Apple Watch. This thing is thinner than the Apple Watch. That's how thin it is. That is crazy. Yeah, it's thinner than the watch. Let's do the first power up here. Cutting it on. First boot up with my Chill Tech family here. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Man, this is really cool. Let me go ahead and, it's not too heavy. People keep talking about it being super duper heavy. It is not too heavy at all. It feels comfortable. Like I like the thickness here, and yeah, this is nice. Samsung, just off of the first unboxing, I'm already super excited. Let's see, I need to, here we go. Just a little tab at the bottom to lift up here. I do have a clear case that I ordered from Amazon. I have to show you guys that. I don't have it here with me at this exact moment, but I'll show you guys in a later video that. But this is nice. Let's get it back unfolded. That is so beautiful. All right, I gotta get this set up. Just wanted to show you guys the unboxing, but wow, that is nice. Very cool. I'm excited. All right, I'll keep you guys posted on things here. TriFold. Something else that I want to point out is one, I've been seeing a lot of videos saying that there's only like closed or fully open to use it. But this mode here, it does have a flex mode that does work for watching content. So I still have to get this fully set up, but I did want to share this, that this does work for if you did want to have a video or something playing on the outside screen and you did want to have it flex like this, that does in fact work. So just something good to know. Also, this case is nice. It's very thin. This is the case that it came with here. It's very thin, but I like it. It's very thin, and I like how it just protects that part there. It already has a screen protector that comes on it as well. Tons of smudges, of course. But yeah, I mean, so far I'm excited. I'm digging this. I got to get you set up. All right, that's all I want to report.